Welcome to the cavernous basement of the Museum of Gloucester. Here are stored many of the thousands of objects in the archaeological collections. You'll notice on the far wall there is some interesting writing. Air raid shelter. It was in fact used as an air raid shelter during World War II. Let's go and have a look. You can see that this room in particular has a lovely brick vaulted ceiling, and it's today used for storage for the museum collections. But it would have been cleared and empty during World War II, and there would have been many dozens of local residents packed in here sheltering from the Luftwaffe. I'm not sure how effective it would have been in a direct hit, but the point is that it made people feel safe, and it was used many times during the early 1940s. Thank you for watching this video clip, part of a series of video clips from the Virtual Museum of Gloucester.